Now you will ask me, where is the option to create default account assignment as we created into ECC cost center? So we are using now another transaction code to enter the default account assignment. So I will create a new session and that transaction code is OKB9. I will press enter. So now this was already into SAP ECC, but now this is the only option into SAP S/4HANA to create default account assignment. In SAP ECC, we have two options, either to create default account assignment into the cost element master data or by using this transaction code. But in SAP S/4HANA, we now have only this transaction code to create default account assignment. So now how we can create default account assignment? Now click on new entries. I will put my company code and the cost element which we have just created, 416103, and cost center. Choose the cost center. Our account is electricity, so choose the relevant cost center accordingly. Press enter and then click save. So that's how we are now created default account assignment for cost center.